안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everybody. My 사람 you. 혹시 저 알아요? You know me? You don't know? Okay. 저는 카니입니다. Everybody. 혹시 문화가 있는 날 알고 있니? 알고 있어? 알고 있냐고? You don't know? Everybody don't know? Okay. 제가 소개해드릴게요. Cultural Day. It's every Wednesday. 수요일마다 Cultural Day가 Shopping Day! Yes! Yes, shopping! 카레 쇼핑! 문화가 있는 날, 문화가 있는 A shopping! A shopping! This is me! Yes! And a shopping! We're gonna shop! Hey! 문화가 있는 날! Yes, shop! 여러분, 스페셜 게스트 가지고 왔어요. not 데리고 왔어요. 가지고 왔어요. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you. And 1, 2, 3. 휴먼 아이디 크레딧 카드는 제 남편입니다.
오늘 또 쇼핑하러
네,
가는 거야?
오늘 쇼핑. Yes. Cultural Day 문화가 있는 날. Yes.
문화가 있는 날.
네, 문화. 크레딧 카드 가지고 왔어요? Yes. Okay. Bye guys. Let's go 바로. 문화가 있는 날. 안녕하세요. 네. That one? No, one, two. 네. Okay. 여보, let's go. Yes. 여긴 너무 아름다워요. 그냥 just take it. Oh, that's good. This is my color. It feels like, my personal color. 여보.
김성재 모자.
김성재. 말이 아자면 너를 사랑하고. 그냥 we'll take one for you and one for me. Yes. 안녕하세요. Yes. 근데 여기 다 아름다워. Kany. It looks good on me? Yes? It looks good? Yes. Where is it? You're gonna take one. Oh my God. Ooh. Yes. Hey. Hey. 이거는 Demon. Big it up, and let it know. 이거 다 sold out 돼요? 없어요? 이거 you guys sell this too? I'll take this. sold out 돼요? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna take all of this. 진짜 기분이 좋아요. Oh, that's great. 안녕하세요. Please shopping 해주세요. 오늘은 문화가 있는 날이에요. 기분이 진짜 좋아요. Do you want one too? No? 안녕하세요. 네, 이거 다.
많이 샀어?
네, 기분이 좋아요. Present for you. 그 선물.
알았어.
네.
이걸로 계산.
감사합니다. Yes. 근데 오늘 문화가 있는 날. Can we add that too? No? 어디 가요? 가지 마세요. 근데 괜찮아요. I have the card, so it's okay. 오늘 행복해요. 감사합니다. Thank you. Yes. 여러분 샀어요. Yes. Oh, this place is really nice. 드라마에서 봤어요. Wait, do you know Lee Min-ho? That's Wang. I feel like a Wang too. 텍스처 너무 좋아요. I feel like royal right now. Wang, Kany Wang. 안녕하세요. Wang입니다. 이거 백자예요? This is, you know what? 프랑스에서 we use a lot of porcelain. This is really nice. Very luxury feeling. Like, 계세요. Wang. 요즘에 we don't have that anymore. 옛날에 it was better than us. Why we not do that anymore? 진짜요. 정신 차려. This is really nice. 여러분, 언박싱. 우리 언박싱 할게요. Okay, so 이거는 look. 이거는 알아요? This is a keychain. I will open it for you. 열을게요. It looks like Christmas. 또 색깔이 너무 아름다워요. Actually, this keychain is from 경복궁. That color actually meaning 있어요. It's not just the color like this. It means 만사혈동. Okay? 만사혈동. It means in English, everything's gonna go well. 다 괜찮을 거야. Everything's gonna be okay. Say it after me. 만사혈동.
만사혈통.
More. 만사혈동.
만사혈통.
Yes! Meaning 너무 very, very strong and the color also is amazing. So, 네, 샀어요. 다음은 my special pick. 이거는 진짜 this is the first time 처음에 봤어요 in my whole life. Okay. Are you guys ready? Oops. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. It's a keyboard. For example, 학교에서 or even at work or whatever, you know, sometimes you're tired and you're like, and then you look at the keyboard 보면, wow, oh, wow, you know, because 컬러 너무 좋아서, 진짜 기분이 벌써 좋아요. Actually, the color that represent the Korean traditional roof back in the day, you know, K-Drama 느낌 feeling, and there is K like Kany. 자, next. Okay. 이거는 very, very precious. When I saw it, I was like, wow, that's for me. I want it. This is pretty, but classy. Very luxurious, very, you know. Look at this. That's like 호랑이. And actually, this pattern is actually a very ancient method. It was made by breaking, like slicing shell into pieces and assembling like one by one. How do you say it?
차게.
차게. Yes, 차게. Look, ha. Yeah, the color is changing. And because I like to assembly, I bought the scarf with it. It's like a mirror, but when I'm gonna look at the mirror and I put the scarf, even the name 차게 feels luxury. 차게. I don't know why it reminds me Taemin. Yeah, that's very shiny Taemin move. Okay, 자, this was like crème de la crème. When I saw that, I was like, oh, 이거 진짜 I have to take this. 여러분, 혹시 K-pop Demon Hunters 알아요? You know that, right? You all know. Me got it up, 못해요. Saja boys. I actually love their hat. So when I saw that, look. What does it remind you? Do you have a hat? A moja?
Yes.
I want to see the difference. Thank you. Yes. This one. You see, look. Look at this. And then look at me. Saja boy. 안녕하십니까? 계세요? Yeah. So that was my picks. Ooh, look. Ow! 귀여워. 마지막 아이템. Actually, 사실은 아까 사회방 가는데 I was 너무 깜짝 놀랐어. It was just so great. I really encourage everybody to actually go there because the place is very peaceful. Even for a high tension Kany like me, I was like, so 그거 때문에 I'm going to show you. Okay. 여러분, it's a snowball. Let it snow, and weather 사용해봐. Let it snow. So even this is like the representative of 판가사유산, and they're doing their very legendary pose. You know, this one. And you're thinking and you're meditating. Yes. This is a really good, great gift. So 이것도 너무 좋았어요. 진짜요? 네. 오! Oh my god! Oh, that's nice! Oh, that's really nice! Okay, fighting. Kany, you can do it. I will work hard for you! Oh my god. How can I know what is that? 열어도 되죠? 네. 아! 이거는 컵이에요. No? Wait. No. Maybe they will put like light and, maybe? No? What is? No? Wait. 잠시만요. Incense? Incense!
Yes!
Incense! Yes! I saw the thing and I was like a lamp, but I was like, okay, you can do that and that can have like smoke, And I love incense too. 우리나라, we do a lot of like incense. So, and I know that 옛날에 in Korea, they did a lot of that. So I was like, okay, that's incense. Yes! That's for me, right? Thank you! I feel like I'm in the K-drama right now. I'm the Hwang. Oh, wow. Why right now we don't have the 머리 like this? Huh? 옛날의 사람 was better. 옛날의 사람. It was very difficult. 너무 힘들어 to choose one because 다 너무 special이니까. Kany 픽은 will be the shiny jacket 호랑이 because it's so nice and you cannot see that everywhere. It's very nice and shiny, the two-tone, the 호랑이, me. It's very Kany and it's also very Korea. Yes. Kany가 always 보통 high tension, high energy, 있지만 근데 오늘 한국 문화 너무 배웠고 inspired. I got very inspired and 한국 문화 연모합니다. I feel like very calm, meditate. Hwang, Kany, culture, Hwang, 연모합니다. 애원, 연모합니다. culture, 문화가, and Hwang, Hwang, and Hwang. One and a two and a three, boom!